everyone, welcome to the new chapter, that is articles. So let's start the chapter. Chapter 9, articles. So in this chapter you will learn about use of a, use of an, use of the, omission of articles. So the articles are three: a, and the. A and an are indefinite articles and the is a definite article. Use of a. A is used before nouns that give a consonant sound. हम a का यूज करते हैं नाउन से पहले जो एक हमें consonant sound देता है. A mango, a mosquito, a frog, a fish. Use of an. An is used before nouns that give a vowel sound. An को हम यूज करते हैं नाउन से पहले जो vowel sound देता है. An apple, an egg, an umbrella, an elephant. The words a and an are mean one. They are called articles. So a और an को हम basically singular चीजों के साथ use करते हैं. Now look at these examples. An hour, an honest farmer, and hire. We can use an before these words too because h यहाँ पर silent है in words में. So r sounds like r, honest sounds like honest, and hire sounds like air. So these words begin with vowel sound, so we can use an use करते हैं. We use a before some words that begin with a vowel but give a consonant sound. आ हम उन words के साथ भी use कर लेते हैं जो शुरू तो vowel से हो रहे हैं लेकिन उनमें sound आपकी consonant की है. A 1 rupee note because O is 1 sound like W. A university because U in university sounds like U. We use the articles a and an when we are not sure which particular noun वो refer करते हैं तो हम a और an का use करते हैं. Like give me an umbrella तो it can be any umbrella. Always remember the articles a and an they are called indefinite articles because they point to a general person or thing को point out करता है. Now read the following sentences. May I take the red colored pencil? That boy is in the green t-shirt is my brother. The word the shows that children are talking about specific pencil की बात कर रहे हैं ना, particular boy. Use of the का हम use का करते हैं. The article the एक definite article है. We use the definite article the following situations में हम use करते हैं to refer to a noun that has already been mentioned. कि जो noun आपका पहले mention है उसके लिए हम use करेंगे. A boy came in the morning. The boy was wearing a red t-shirt. With adjectives in the superlative degree के साथ हमेशा the use होता है. He was the tallest of all students in my class. He was the best student in the class. With nouns that are only one of a kind. एक ही तरीके के होते हैं, universal होते हैं. The earth revolves around the sun. The sky, the moon, the earth. With singular nouns that represent whole class को जो represent करता है, like the blue whale is the largest animal on earth. Omission of articles. कहाँ पर हम articles का use नहीं करते हैं? We do not use the with proper nouns. We do not say दा को हम proper nouns के किसी particular name के साथ use नहीं कर सकते. आप अपना नाम बोलते हैं, आप उसके साथ दा use नहीं करते हैं. दा भारती, दा राजस्थान, दा जानवरी, दा मंडे. No. We do not use दा with uncountable nouns के साथ भी नहीं करते. Like milk, gold, honesty, truth, sugar. We do not say I bought a statue made of clay. हम नहीं बोलते ऐसे. Now it's time to answer. Take the correct option. A or an means one. A is used before the nouns that give a dash sound. तो A को हम उन nouns के साथ भी लगाते हैं जिसमें sound आती है consonant की. This is a correct use of article the sun. Write a or an before the following nouns. A car, a university, an orange, a house, a Satluj river, the moon. I hope you all have understood the chapter. Go through it again. We'll meet in the next video. Stay connected and motivated. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.